I just hit my first week of making $5,000 with Grok and Amazon affiliate marketing. It wasn't easy. I went through a lot of trial and error before finally coming to a foolproof system that I'll be sharing with you today so that you can avoid the mistakes that I made. You can follow this process even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience and skills, and it's completely free to do. Step 1. Choose a niche. Picking a niche is the foundation of this whole process. It's not about grabbing whatever seems trendy. Pick something people buy regularly with decent commission rates, and that would work well with platforms like Grok and Amazon. If you need help coming up with a niche, head over to Grok and give the prompt. What are the top product categories people are buying on Amazon right now? Grok will do the research and give you some options. I recommend going for a niche that you either have a lot of knowledge about or that you're interested in. For today's tutorial, I'm going with the home office tools niche. This niche is great because more people are working from home these days and they're always looking for things like desks, chairs, or monitors to make their setup better. Amazon pays around 3 to 4% commission on furniture and electronics, which isn't the highest, but it adds up when we're talking about items that cost $50 to $200 each. Once you've chosen a niche, ask Grok. Give me a list of 20 products that people tend to buy in the home office niche. Then head to Google Trends to double-check. For example, if Grok suggests a home office desk, I'd type home office desk into the search bar, set the time frame to the past 12 months, and pick the United States as the location. The graph shows steady interest, which is exactly what we want. That tells us that this is a solid niche to move forward with. Step 2. Set up Amazon Associates. Head over to the Amazon Associates sign-up page. Click on Sign Up and fill out all of the details as accurately as possible. They ask for a website or platform URL. You can include a link to your social media profile or to your blogging site. We can set this up easily with WordPress. It's just a basic site where posts about our niche, in this case, home office tools, will go. And anyone can start one in 10 minutes by picking a free template and a name like Home Office Hacks. Tell Amazon the content is about reviewing home office products, and traffic will come from blog posts and social media shares. That's all true, and it's what Amazon wants to hear. Hit submit, and if everything's good, you'll be approved within a few days. Step 3. Create content. Content is what drives this whole process. It's what will bring your affiliate links to people in a non-salesy way. Grok is great for creating content. We can ask Grok, write a 1,000-word blog post about the best home office desks under $200, with Amazon product recommendations and pros and cons. It should be conversational and helpful. I wanted to promote my affiliate links in a subtle way. Copy and paste what Grok generates into a Google Doc and go through it line by line. Add your own touches and edits to make it more accurate and original. To add your affiliate links, log into your Amazon account. Search for the product that you're promoting, like home office desk. Look for a desk that's between $100 and $200 with plenty of 5-star reviews. Click on it and then copy the link from up here. Now go back to your Google Doc and subtly hyperlink your affiliate link around the beginning, middle, and end of your post. Step 4. Publish your post. You can publish your post on your own WordPress website or somewhere like Substack or Medium. Simply create an account if you don't have one, and then create a new post. Copy and paste your blog post. Then make sure to optimize your blog post by adding a keyword-rich title, description, and tags. If you need help with this, ask Grok. What keywords should be used for my blog post about home office desks? Weave those into the post. For example, I can make the title Best Home Office Desks Under $200 for Remote Work. I can also add some images of home office desk to the post to make it more engaging before hitting publish. Step 5. Drive traffic. Getting people to read your blog post is where the real work happens. No traffic means no sales, no matter how good the content is. I recommend using Pinterest because it's free and full of people shopping for home ideas. Head over to Pinterest and sign up for a free business account with an email and a password. It only takes a couple of minutes. Then create a board called Home Office Essentials by clicking Create Board, typing the name, and saving it. Now we need to make a pin to share the post. For this, go to Canva and search for a Pinterest pin template. Pick any template that has the general look that you like. Open it up. Delete the image that's already there and replace it with one that's relevant to your content. For example, I can save and then upload a photo of a desk from Amazon's product page to Canva. Then I can add text over it saying "Best desks for your home office" in a bold font. Once you've created your pin, download it as a PNG. Back on Pinterest, click Create Pin, upload that image, and fill in the details. I can put the title as Top Home Office Desks Under $200 and write in the description, "Upgrade your workspace with these affordable desks. Learn more here." Paste the blog URL with the affiliate links into the link field, pick the board, and publish it. Now, people browsing Pinterest will see it, click through, and land on the post. You can also share the post on X and any other social media platform to get more eyes on it. Write a quick post like, "Just posted a guide to the best home office desks under $200. Check it out here," and add the blog link. Include keyword-rich hashtags like home office tips and remote work gear to reach people interested in that space. It's not a flood of traffic, but every click helps. Over time, those search engine optimization keywords start pulling in free visitors from Google too. Someone searching "affordable desk for remote work" might find the post a month later, and that's pure profit without extra effort. Step 6. Scale. To hit a goal like $5,000 a week, it's all about numbers. A $100 desk at 4% commission earns $4 per sale. To hit $5,000 a week, 1,250 sales are needed, or about 180 a day. That's a lot, but it's possible with volume. Use Grok to write more posts, maybe 5 a week. Ask for articles like "Best ergonomic chairs for home offices" or "Top monitors for remote work," all with Amazon links. Each post targets a different angle of the niche. If one post gets 10,000 views a month and 1% of people buy, that's 100 sales or $400. 5 posts like that bring in $2,000 a month, so 20 posts at that level would hit $5,000 a week. Make Pinterest pins for every post, same process as before, and share them all on X. Check the Amazon Associates dashboard under Reports to see what's selling. If desks outperform chairs, focus there. It's steady work, building over months, but the tools are free and the system scales. Will you be trying this process out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.